Well, this morning, COVID cases are once again spiking in San Diego. County health officials say we are seeing an increase after the Thanksgiving gatherings.
Now, a so-called triple-demic is impacting hospitals nationwide, with the flu and RSV also on the rise. CBS 8's Chris Grote was live in front of County Health and Human Services with the latest. Good morning.
And good morning, Eric and Dana Marie. We're not just seeing it in the numbers, we're also seeing it at hospitals as well, too. In fact, over at Sharp Grossmont Hospital in La Mesa, they actually have broken out tents at the emergency room right there by the front entrance in order to treat some minor cases, because they are seeing such both long wait times as well as an influx of patients that are going in. And this is something that we're seeing over the county. In fact, according to the Union Tribune, the most recent data posted on the county's EMS Transfer of Care website shows that some facilities saw as much as 19% of their ambulance offloads take longer than 60 minutes in the month of October. And that's just the most recent month available, not accounting for potentially that Thanksgiving and now the Christmas holiday spike that we are seeing when it comes to the amount of cases. In fact, according to the county numbers, they've seen a 63% increase in COVID cases since Thanksgiving. This week, there have been more than 5,600 confirmed new cases. Meanwhile, the flu does seem to be trending down, with almost 150 fewer new cases this week compared to last. But officials say that wastewater data shows there could be an increase in cases soon. Remember that wastewater data was so key during the height of the pandemic in trying to identify the type of variants as well as the raw numbers of COVID cases potentially, because there are so many at-home tests that are done, as well as so many at-home cases that simply go untested, that stay at home and don't get reported to the county via the hospitals that are active. Now, as far as what we're seeing across the nation, doctors are reporting they are seeing a spike in cases as well too. Taking a listen to what we're hearing.
We think it's just a bad cold, and it isn't. It can be so much worse. The pneumonia that can come after, the ear infections that can come after, the dehydration that lands kids in the hospital, the sinusitis that can happen in older kids, even kids' febrile seizures.
Now, the RSV and flu have been especially problematic for children. However, doctors across the nation are saying that COVID could be less or just as essentially severe, if you will, for adults as for children. For children, it could be a little less severe. But again, this is an important reminder that if you are feeling under the weather, to get tested at home and to contact your primary care physician about what to do next.